Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling location services and connecting to Wi-Fi or cellular data so your position updates. Next, open the app you'll use to share, messaging, or maps, and pick the person or group you want to share with. Grant the app location permission if it asks. Choose Allow while using app for privacy control. Once done, tap the contact's name and look for the location or share location action to begin the actual sharing flow. Now choose whether to send your current static location or enable live location for continuous updates. If live sharing is offered, set a duration, 15 minutes, 1 hour or more, so you control how long people track you. Then pick how to deliver it, in an app map preview, a shareable link, or an SMS fallback for contacts without the app. Make sure to add a short note explaining why you're sharing. After that, tap send or share and watch for the confirmation. Finally, confirm the recipient received the location. Ask them to reply or check the delivery confirmation in the conversation. When you no longer want to be visible, stop sharing manually in the app or let the preset timer expire to automatically end it. If the other person reports the wrong spot, toggle location services off and on, ensure accurate network or GPS signals, or restart the app. This usually fixes stale or inaccurate coordinates. Keep control by reviewing permissions and active shares regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.